Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. So I'm so glad I'm finally doing a Sarojini video today. This was very much requested after my Sarojini reel went 100k. So in this video I will be telling you the tips, tricks and hacks on how to shop from Sarojini. So if you have never been there or you're planning to go there, better watch this guide because you know that place can be overwhelming for a lot of people, and I think to really get an idea of how to shop from Sarojini, you must visit there at least 2 or 3 times. So this is what I've learned so far from there, because the first time I went I couldn't find anything and I was just so much overwhelmed. So I hope this helps and this reaches out to the girls who find it difficult to shop in Sarojini. And if you are a really expert in shopping from Sarojini, I really hope you enjoy this haul as well as this guide. I've also tried to vlog the day. I went on a Tuesday, I think a month back, and I've tried to vlog it, but it was just super hot that day. So it might be chaotic, but this video is definitely going to be really helpful. Honestly, this time I realized that I already have a lot of clothes, so I didn't shop a lot from there. But I'm gonna show you the clothes I've already brought from Sarojini back then. So it's gonna be a mixed, and let's just get into the video.
बहुत सारी मुश्किलों के बाद हम फाइनली सरोजनी पहुंच गए। इस दिन बहुत ज़्यादा गर्मी थी। गेट से एंटर करने के बाद हमने सबसे पहले राइट लिया और मैं सबसे पहले आई मेक इट अ पॉइंट टू एक्सप्लोर ऑल द स्टॉल्स। इफ यू आर समवन हु गेट्स ओवरवेल्म्ड बाय दिस प्लेस, आई वुड रिकमेंड यू टू एक्सप्लोर ऑल द स्टॉल्स वेरी केयरफुली, बिकॉज यहाँ पे आपको ज़्यादा बार्गेनिंग भी नहीं करना पड़ता। इट्स ऑन फिक्स्ड प्राइस एंड यहाँ पे सेल पे सब कुछ लगा होता है, तो आपको काफ़ी कुछ मिल जाता है अच्छे प्राइस में। आफ्टर दैट वी एक्सप्लोर्ड सम यूनिक शॉप लाइक दिस वन, डॉल्फिन। यहाँ पर सिर्फ होम डेकोर था। उसके बाद वी कंटिन्यू टू एक्सप्लोर द स्टॉल्स विच वर ऑन द एंट्रेंस ऑफ ऑल द शॉप्स। यहाँ पे 300 रुपीज़ के सिर्फ कॉर्ड सेट मिल रहे थे, बहुत अच्छे ग्राफिक टीज, एंड पूरे मार्केट में बहुत ज़्यादा ब्यूटीफुल सिर्फ 200 रुपीज़ की मैक्सी स्कर्ट्स मिल रही थी। हम ये सरोजनी वाले लेन पे भी गए एंड दिस गुफा शॉप में मुझे तो कभी कुछ अच्छा मिलता नहीं, तो आई डोंट यूजुअली गो देयर। आपको सरोजनी जा रहे हो तो आपके पीछे लोग पड़ जाएंगे बेचने के लिए अपना सामान, और इतना थक गए थे कि हाइजीनिक। अब देखो पानी दूध भी पिंक है यहाँ पे सरोजनी में। बहुत भूख लग गई थी तो वी वेंट टू दिस नियर बाय मॉल, और वहाँ से जाने के बाद वी देन एक्सप्लोर्ड द शॉप जो बिल्कुल एग्जिट की तरफ थे, और यहाँ पर 50 रुपीज़ के शॉर्ट्स मिल रहे थे। आई ऑल्सो पिक्ड, एंड देन जाते हुए हमने कुछ और स्टॉल्स एक्सप्लोर किए एंड दैट्स इट। फिर
अरे आगे आ जाओ दीदी। The first thing I have is the short kurti, and I have already styled it. It was just for 50 rupees. It is sheer, and I wore it with a lot of pieces and with a spaghetti inside it, and I just love it. And I'm so glad I just found it for 50. And I know you guys are gonna ask me for shop numbers, but to be honest, everything I have with me right now is from the stalls only, and I think it is the easiest to shop from those stalls because there's a fixed price and the price is always reasonable. It is for 50, 60, 80, 100, 150 or 200 to 250. So I don't think that any amateur cannot buy from there, and I think it is the easiest way, and you actually find a lot of good pieces there. Speaking of good pieces, I also found this cute sweater for just ₹50 again. I think it will be really nice to style it in winters. I picked a white shirt for myself for just ₹50, and it is of really good quality and it is so comfortable to wear as well. And if you like a lot of white, Sarojini is heaven for you because every other stall has this white collection for just 50 to 100 rupees. Next up, I also got these formal pants which were very loose on me, but I've got them altered and they fit me really perfectly. I just love the way they look on me, and I think if you're in college, I know a formal pant is a must because you will. I also picked up this purple striped shirt just for ₹50 for my father because it's too oversized. I would love if it was in my size, but he said he won't wear it because the buttons are on the left side. Usually the buttons are on the right side of shirts, so let me know if I should style it. It's too oversized, so it's gonna be fun styling this. I got this bootcut jeans just for ₹100 for my sister. She's actually shorter than me, so it fits her really well and it is of good quality as well. Got myself this ribbed baggy jeans. It's too ribbed, but my mother is gonna do a little stitch here. but it goes on almost all of my outfits and it is just so easy to style. I got this one for rupees 200. I picked up 2 kurta sets, one for my mother and one for myself. So this one is a A-line kurta sets is what you call it. I don't know what cut is this. This is some Naira cut or something. So it is this very beautiful yellow color kurta and it comes with matching pants. These are the pants and it was just for rupees 300 and it is really good to wear these in summers because it is cotton. I got myself this kurta set. This was for rupees 250. This is not in cotton by the way, but it feels very airy. I've already got it altered according to my size. It is this mid-length kurta it comes along with, and these are the pants, and I think it is just really comfortable to wear this during summers to college, and I just love wearing it. It was only for rupees 250 from a stall also. Now I'm really proud of this thrift find because this dress is only for rupees 50 and I also got it from a store. It is this long maxi dress and I'm so excited to wear this. I know it's not in a good condition right now, but I will iron it and I will wear this soon. And this is just so beautiful. It has these 2 stripes and it looks like this from the back, and I just can't wait to wear this and show it to you all. Then I got the Sharara pants which look like a skirt actually, because all these maxi skirts are so trending on Pinterest right now, and it's just so comfortable to wear Sharara instead of that because it gives you the look and at the same time you are so comfortable because it's pants. And this was only for rupees 200 and I picked it from a store and they had all different, and they had so many different colors in that. And this is also cotton by the way. When we were exiting, I saw this shop which was on the road and I got myself these shorts because I didn't have shorts for the longest time. So this was only for rupees 50. The only reason I picked this such ribbed fabric is because it was only for rupees 50 and I think it's pretty decent for the price. I cannot go to Sarojini and not buy jewelry, so I got myself a lot of pair of jhumkas. First one is this one. These are multicolored. These were for rupees 40 and I think they just go really well with all of my Indian wear. These Chand Balias for rupees 30. These shell earrings for rupees 30. Another shell something inspired. Also got these danglers. I think that's what you call them. Also, my number 1 tip is to just shop from stalls. Do not get in that matter of like shopping from all the shops, because you literally have everything you see from those shops in the stalls and you have a lot more in those stalls. And actually for stalls also you don't need to bargain, you don't need to say anything. There is a very reasonable rate at which the stalls sell, and I think you can really find good stuff from there. Also, please do not hesitate to bargain. I am sure if you are going to Sarojini, you are going there to save some money and just find unique pieces. So it's not there's no shame in bargaining. So, okay, also try to go with only one person, because if you go with a lot of people or a group, you just end up just losing everyone at that time, because everyone is so busy in seeing what they like or what they don't like. And that's it to the haul and to this video. I really hope you enjoyed this video and it was helpful for you. And I really hope the next time you go to Sarojini, you remember me and actually end up shopping really good from there.